Welcome once again, and let's talk about Robinhood listening partnering with Terra Classic. That remember, Robinhood just said this year 2023 that they will be listening more coins this year than last year. And also, of course, in the area of listening small cap coin, they also said yes, if some of these coins can meet up with their terms and conditions, that they are actually going to list this coin. But already they have plans on working and listening some small cap coins. And I believe, of course, remember, Terra community has already been mounting pressure on Robinhood to list Terra Classic, and of course they have been getting that hit from these communities for them to list Terra Classic. And I believe, of course, if there's any coins they are planning to list this year, I believe Terra Classic is supposed to be one of these coins. And for example, almost all the crypto exchanges have listed these coins, so I believe that they will be looking at that also. And then in the area of Terra Classic bonding, they can see Terra Classic also created 1.2% tax bond that will help this coin to grow. Of course, every exchange just needs a coin that also help them to make more profit, and the demand for Terra Classic coin is also rising. So I believe so many exchanges want to, of course, list this coin because so many people will be buying that coin. Of course, money will be coming in into those exchanges, and I believe that Terra Classic will be getting that support from top crypto exchanges. And I believe Robinhood, of course, might to consider listening to Terra Classic. Now, from the beginning of this year, they said they're actually going to work and partner with so many crypto coins this year. And when you take a look at this year, of course, Terra Classic have started the year with an amazing rise, with an amazing increase in price. And I hope that Robinhood will finally list Terra Classic this year. And the plan to do this is already on, and I hope to see Terra Classic on Robinhood. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.